My vision is simple. It's creating a world of 3 zeros. Zero net carbon emission, zero wealth concentration, and zero poverty. By unleashing the entrepreneurship in all. This vision is based on a strong belief a better world is possible. We can build a world without poverty. We can create a future where everyone has meaningful work. We can protect everyone. We can protect the environment instead of destroying it. The world we live in today is not a fixed one. We all have the power to change it in our way, the way we want it to be. But right now we stand at a crossroad. The world is facing many serious challenges: climate change, inequality, conflicts, and economic uncertainties. The system we have used for years are not solving these problems. If we keep doing the same thing, we'll keep getting the same result. That's why we need a new way forward. A way that focuses on social business, sustainability, putting people before profit. For too long, we have believed that economic growth alone can fix everything. That's wrong. If growth helps a few, leaves millions behind, and that growth is not what we will be pursuing. One of the biggest dangers today is that wealth is becoming more and more concentrated in the hands of few people. That's what economic machines are supposed to do. And that machine is doing the job it's been created for, creating an enormous wealth concentration. This creates discrimination and injustice. What we need is an inclusive economy where wealth is shared with all, where every person has a chance to live with dignity and purpose. Distinguished guests, as I stand here in Malaysia during my official visit here, I remind the deep and long-standing friendship between Bangladesh and Malaysia. Our two countries have always shared strong ties built on mutual respect, cultural exchange, and shared dreams of progress. Bangladesh and Malaysia have worked together in many, many ways. We have supported each other in our journey towards growth and prosperity. Malaysia has been a trusted friend, helping us in developing our human resources and advancing technology. Over the years, our partnership has grown across many areas: trade, education, innovation, and people-to-people connections. This shows how much we can achieve when we work together with a common purpose. But I believe this is only the beginning. As Bangladesh steps into a new era, as we call it, New Bangladesh, which began last year, we want to deepen our cooperation with Malaysia. There are so many new areas to explore, like the semiconductor industry, halal economy, renewable energy, and entrepreneurship for all. Together, we can build a future that is prosperous, innovative, and inclusive. In a world facing challenges like climate change, rising inequality, and fast-changing technology, it's more important than ever for countries to stand together, learn from each other, and grow together. I truly believe that with a stronger collaboration in education, research, and trade and investment, Bangladesh and Malaysia can become a model for sustainable development and social progress. Dear students, you are the builders of tomorrow. Your ideas, your creativity, and your sense of responsibility will shape the future. not just of Malaysia. You are a citizen of the world. Always remember that. And you change the world, not just one country. Along the way, when you are fixing the world, your country will be fixed too, like everybody else's world. As you follow your dreams, always remember, real success is not just about what you achieve for yourself, but also about how you help others to rise with you. The best legacy we can leave behind is a world where no one is left behind. Before I end, I want to leave you with one important message. Your generation holds the key to the future. Your generation is the most powerful generation in the history of humankind. You are not only a recipient of technology, but rather, with the power of technology, you can change the future of the world. Your choices, your actions, your values will guide you to where we want to go next. You have the power to make it happen. I urge you, dream big, think boldly, and imagine the biggest thing you want to achieve for yourself. Don't be afraid. Every failure is just a step towards success. The world doesn't need more followers. It needs leaders. It needs problem solvers. Each one of you has the power to do remarkably, to build social businesses that serve people with new ideas. You can transform lives and make policies that lift entire communities, not just families. You can build a future where no one is left behind, a future where progress is measured not by rich, but by how everyone is doing. Once again, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to University Kebangsaan, Malaysia, for this extraordinary honor. I accept it with deepest appreciation and renewed commitment to strengthening the bonds between our two great nations. I look forward to continued collaborations, to learning from each other, and to work together towards a world where every individual, regardless of their background, has the opportunity to his or her potential. Thank you. Terima kasih.